Ndongoi wa chama cha DCP Rigathi Gachagua niwaweta chama chake kiyiungamya muteti Kukitia wa Mumbuni North County ya Masako nthini wa nini ile kutwaiwa mwini wa 11 hainene tina umbano wa NEC wa chama kile Gachagua alumilo tuo bikiwa kumana na maunena ni amathandau Ndongoi nthini wa ulini kana ukwata Mbau muteti umwe ibela nekiwathukanio kelelo nekinene cha kuikiria ulei niwo wosa usindi kulani nthino ibela kiwathukanio leme usindana na ndeti mwabuleni wa broad based Benjamin
Mbumbano sia tetimoni evindani yao yuminduke sionekana kwithwane siambe kusia matunda bene kukonya moloto kukwata Mbau muteti umwe ta ulei ibela nikwakanyo kulani nisiokete vala kwemonde chama cha DCP ne chatangaasa kithiwa kiyikwata Mbau muteti wa chama cha Wiper Anthony Kisoi kwasa MCA wa Mumbuni North kulani nisiokete.
In the spirit of collaboration and fairness under the united opposition and our resolve to unity ahead of the 2027 general elections leading to the identification of one presidential candidate to face William Ruto, we have also agreed that we support the Wiper Patriotic Front candidate in Mumbuni Ward in Machakos County under the opposition banner.
Inge Kivila chombunge cha mbele yuluku ya kaunti nembu kila ketete muti ya mwingi UDCP weta taulei megwanie kutia chama anyanya uleine cha DP na muteti wa Newton Karish Kukitia Kivila ta muteti woka wa uleki kungune cha kutata kususi ya mwana nolo ati uwe muthei heti wa Geoffrey Ruku kunyuvwa kutwika minister silikalini ya President William Ruto.
We have agreed that DCP will support the Democratic Party in Wiper North constituency, acknowledging that the seat was previously held by the Democratic Party and should rightfully be retained for the party's candidate to complete a full term, and hence DCP has agreed to give support to the Democratic Party candidate and start down our candidate at DCP. This decision has also been informed by the recognition that the Honorable Justin Bidan Muturi, the party leader of the Democratic Party, is a great leader from that region with enhanced capacity and undoubted leadership qualities to lead the Democratic Party into winning the seat. We shall therefore support the Democratic Party candidate and ask our members in Wiper North to support that candidate for the Democratic Party.
Indonu wavo muti ya wali ukakusiwa kwenye kilono bunge cha Malava chama cha DCP Kenya cha Eugene Wamalwa vamona DCP sionde nisiungamya atati Kukitia uyumbe Kivila nike kusindana na chama cha UDA kila kivitite kutunga Kivila kenge silikalini.
Equally, we have also agreed to support the candidate of the DAP Kenya candidate in Kabuchai and Chwele Ward in Bungoma County. For other elective positions, DCP shall field and mobilize fully to campaign, popularize and seek votes at our party ticket. As we compete, we shall respect our opposition parties in those regions, mindful that democracy is the preserve of every Kenyan. This consensus and agreement among the parties in the united opposition only applies to the by-elections. However, let me confirm that in the 2027 general election, DCP shall field a presidential candidate and other candidates in the 290 constituencies, 47 counties, and 1,450 wards across the Republic.
Mbaunyuvani amanini mavani kutwaiwa matukumi ongweli na mwanza mamwai wa 11.
To strengthen our campaign machinery, NEC has today established a fully equipped electoral secretariat domiciled at the party headquarters. This secretariat will coordinate strategy, logistics, messaging, branding, and resource mobilization for our candidates.
Kuma vaka untini lovi ndilivote ya vilingwa mauvonye nita wa Benjamin Mwakam.